Hello, welcome to Stock Up with Uncle Larry. I'm your host, Larry Jones. Again, I want to briefly go over a lesson here. And we're going to talk about two stocks. One is Tesla and one is Inseego. So in my training, I'm literally taking steps for the beginner, the person that knows nothing about trading. So if you're an expert trader, this may or may not be for you. But if you want to learn the difference in swing trading and investing, then this is for you. And I have some stock picks too. One, everybody knows about Tesla's been on a rip. And I have another one in the 5G space that I want to discuss. But let's talk about swing trading as opposed to investing. You have traders and you have investors. Investors pretty much are in it for the long run. Swing traders want to make a quick pop. So just think about Tarzan in the jungle, and he's trying to get from point A to point B, and he's swinging, and every time he grabs a new rope, he makes profit. That's what swing trading is. You want to buy a stock today and sell it tomorrow. And for those of you that have full day trading rights, you can actually buy a stock at 5 o'clock and buy a stock at 9 o'clock and sell it at 9:05, right? But then for the investors, the ones that got Tesla at $200, you're holding it for the long run because it could run up to $3,000, $7,000. So you don't mind the volatility of the market going up and down, up and down. What you're trying to do is stay in it regardless of the parabolic moves. Parabolic moves are moves that actually find new floors and new ceilings. So if you bought it here and it's doing this, but then it comes down half, you're still positive. So that's what a parabolic move is. It goes up, 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 and up. So you're still good. So you don't want to pop that stock. You want to keep that stock and make money long term. You know, we all have to retire one day, so you can actually be stocking up for retirement, right? So let me give you the difference. Just think about this. Investing is more like a turtle syndrome. It is moving slow, but eventually it will get to point B from point A, right? Swing trading, it's moving quick. You're in and out, you're popping, you're grabbing rope to rope to rope. And every time you grab a rope, you sell the stock. Every time you swing, you buy the stock. That's swing trading. So I think it's best to do both. There are some stock you want to buy and you want to sell right away. So there's a term, I'm going to teach you a lot of new terminology in here that's called buying on the dip, right? Buying on the dip. So I'm going to go here to right now to a stock, and that stock is called Inseego, right? Inseego is a stock. Here it is right here on my iPhone stock list. Everyone that has an iPhone has a stock app on your phone, and you can add new stock to watch on the phone. Check it out, it's on your phone. So, and you don't have to download it, it comes with. So here, Inseego, the ticker symbol is INSG. What they do is they make wireless routers for the 5G revelation. It's coming. And it's the revolution, should I say, Prince and the revolution. But the 5G is coming. And COVID gave it a boost in the early stages, but it slowed it down towards the end because of infrastructure problems, right? Your new iPhone, it will come with 5G. And normally they release, somewhere around September. Some people are saying September 8th. But 5G is on the way. It's coming. It's here. There's going to be a lot of money made in 5G for years to come. All right. Inseego. So remember, buying on the dip, right? Kind of swing trading. So if we go into Inseego and we go to the 3-month here, as you can see, July 22nd, it's $10.96. Then it goes up to $14.54 August 4th. So you made a nice little pop. So what some traders do is buy on the dip. Every time you see the stock dip down, you buy it. And when it pops up, you sell it. That's swing trading, short-term swing trading. But if you look at this, you'll see that it dips. It comes up, you could pop it, dips down to 9. It comes up to 10.96, you can pop it, dips, you buy in again, comes up, you can pop it, dips down to 10, then you could have popped it at 14.56, and now it's back down to 11.90. That's called buying on the dip. You want to buy when the stock dips, and you want to pop it when it's when it's high. So those of you that were blessed or lucky enough to buy on the March dips, you have, on some stock, you have made 50%, 100%, 200, 300, 400, 500% on your money because you've bought on the dip. So check out Inseego, INSG. Do your own research. Go to yahoo.com, yahoofinance.com, and just read the articles and see what they're doing. They have a lot of contracts. They have a lot of market share, and they're going to make money. You can buy Inseego right now at $11.88, and you will make money more long term now than ever. But I have to do this. Legal note. I am not a financial advisor. I just share with you my strategies and how I made money, and something that will help you to make money long term. So you should do your own investigating, your own research on every stock that I talk about, right? Ting, got that over. All right. So now let's go to Tesla, right? Now check this out. I bought Tesla right here at $9.85, right? You say, oh, wow, you made great money because today right now it's at $18.95. There's people that bought it at $700. There's people that bought it at $500. There's people that bought it at $200 a share. They're doing great. But this to me is an investment and not so much a swing trade, but an investment because you want to hold it. They're finna. See, that's a Chicago. They finna. They're about to do a 5-to-1 split, meaning that they're going to take, let's just say $2,000, and they're going to split it by 5. They're going to do a 5-to-1 split. So the stock price is going to be less per share, but it's still going to be worth the same. All right. And so that's one of the reasons why it's running up. There's a lot of stuff happening with Tesla. I'm going to have to make another video about it. I can do 10 videos just on Tesla. They got battery day coming up. They got a battery that eventually is going to get 1 million miles. They have a car that gets 400 miles on the charge. They got new charging plugs. They're into roofing shingles that allow you to store your own energy. There's a lot going on with Tesla. And for those of you that don't know, Tesla's not a car company. Tesla is a tech company that sells cars. Bing! Remember that. So with this, if you look 6 months ago, you could have bought in the March lows, you could have bought Tesla for $500, $400, $430 right here. Now, here it is at $18.99, let's say $19.00 by the time you get this video. So you want to let it run because eventually Tesla will be a $2,000 stock, a $3,000 stock, a $5,000 stock, a $7,000 stock. Those are investments. So you want to invest and you want to trade. Remember, don't have FOMO, fear of missing out. FOMO, fear of missing out. You don't want to do that. Never chase a bull. A bull can turn around and plow you over. Now you're a hog, and hogs are fit to be slaughtered. Never chase a bull market, but just be patient and wait and buy on the dip, right? A lot of people think, including myself, think that there is another correction coming, that the stock market is going to dip. So what you need to be doing is positioning yourself, because we're about to witness the greatest transfer of wealth in our lifetimes, our parents' lifetimes, and our parents' parents' lifetime. I'm telling you, the greatest transfer of wealth is not about to happen. It's happening right now in real time. So that's why I'm adamant about you newcomers learning and positioning yourself. If you haven't watched my video 1 of beginning trading for beginners, please look in my, go to my page and look. And I have a 3-step lesson on investing in the stock market for those of you that have never done it or don't know what it is. I go through a simple, intuitive step-by-step explanation on what investing is and how to invest and how to open up a Fidelity account. So we want to position ourselves to be ready. I would suggest to you to have your kids ready, open them up an account. I don't care if you have $100, $50. Always, always, always do your own research. But the 2 stocks that I gave you today, Tesla and Inseego, are good stocks. They have good balance sheets. They are set and they are poised to make money. All right. So remember, buy on the dip. We got swing traders and we got investors. That's my lesson for today. Be sure and hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it shares it with YouTube, and it lets YouTube know to suggest it to other people. Let's help me build my page, and hopefully I'll help you to make money. So remember, hit the like button, leave me a comment, hit the share button, but most importantly, hit the notification bell. So when I upload my next video, you will receive it. I'm going to start to try to do videos on Mondays and Fridays, every Monday and every Friday. So you want to be notified with that. All right. Hey, this is Stocked Up or Stock Up with Uncle Larry. We'll see you on the next episode.